Hi everyone, it's Nick here once again from TrainAid, and in today's video we are looking at the Level 4 Certificate in Education and Training. This is Unit 2. We are looking at the different types of diagnostic assessments you can use within teaching and training. So for this assignment question, you now need to reflect on a minimum of 2 different types of diagnostic assessment. So there are many to choose from, and these type of initial assessments, as we know, they're more formal. They usually involve some type of test which renders some result for the learner. So it could be a literacy or numeracy test. It could be perhaps a fitness test. It could be perhaps a demonstration of a skill. And with some careers, they have got these types of diagnostic assessments that learners have to pass. They have to perhaps meet a certain criteria for them to go onto the course. So let's have a look at one of those examples of diagnostic assessment. We have got a literacy or numeracy test, otherwise known as BKSB. So BKSB stands for Basic and Key Skills Builder. So it's a popular online learning platform used by teaching and training establishments to help to assess learner skills within English, maths, and ICT. So it's an online platform where learners will take a short test, and it establishes the learner's results. And furthermore, following that, it gives them the platform to create like an individual learning plan for them to perhaps improve on their key skills should they require it as well. So it's a very popular approach within, of course, colleges, schools, universities, and it's all to do with checking whether or not learners have got the required core skills of English, maths, and ICT, whether perhaps they're at the level 2 standard. If not, then there will be obviously another opportunity for them with some targets for them to improve their skills. Now, in terms of strengths, obviously we have a personalized learning plan. So following the BKSB initial assessment, this will provide learners with specific strengths and areas for development within a learner's knowledge. So it gives them a tailored action plan for them to improve those core key skills. So it gives them like help and advice on how they can improve as well. It's also quantitative as well. So it's very useful for a teacher because it shows the end results and goal. And also many learners can be assessed at that one time as well. So it's not like an interview where it can be done individually. You can set up as many computers as you wish for your learners to complete. Once again, it's easy to use and accessible. So the platform is user-friendly and online, making it accessible from anywhere. A high number of educational establishments really do endorse this approach because it's standardized. As mentioned before, most learners are that they enjoy this because it's easy to log on, it's easy to administer, it's paperless as well, so you don't have to worry about printing costs. The results are automatic. That's another key factor as well, and learners get their results then and there, so they get the kind of reassurance if they've passed the test or not. Obviously, some limitations of using this type of assessment method. Yes, there's the kind of exam worry, the exam anxiety or stress. So some learners find the initial and diagnostic assessments stressful because they've had perhaps a negative experience of examinations in the past. So the teacher kind of needs to be reassuring, give them lots of help, support, lots of notice when using BKSB. They could even do like a mock test or a trial run to get used to the actual test, the format as well. So it requires digital skills and access. So yes, this type of assessment does involve a little bit of knowledge that you've got, being able to log on to log on to a computer, excuse me. So you do need to have basic ICT skills when using this type of platform, because if you are struggling, then the learner might not be, might not be able to complete the test. So you do need a basic level of skills or some training in order to use this diagnostic assessment as well. So that's my first diagnostic assessment example. Once again, a paragraph to explain the test. You can, of course, include an image, that's optional. Talk about 2 strengths as well, a paragraph on each, and 2 limitations there. You don't have to use this one. If you've got another diagnostic assessment you would like to describe, then absolutely fine to include. I hope this video has been useful with completing this first diagnostic assessment. Thank you so much for watching.